Today we're going to have a go at making a kaleidoscope. Here are all the materials you're going to need to make your kaleidoscope. You're going to need some plastic recycling that's got a smooth bottom, some sellotape, a toilet roll tube, a permanent marker pen, a pencil, a ruler, some scissors, and some translucent beads, sequins or buttons. You'll also need either some plastic craft mirror that you can buy online, or a cereal box or other thin cardboard and some tin foil. So the first thing we need to do is measure 1 centimetre from the top or bottom of our toilet roll tube. We're going to do this all the way round. Okay, so I've got markers all the way round at 1 centimetre. I'm going to join them up. And then we're going to cut off that 1 centimetre piece. Now we're going to need to stick this on a bit later. So I'm going to flatten my tube slightly so I can get my scissors to start. And then chop all the way around that line we've just drawn. There we go. Keep that bit safe. Now, our kaleidoscope needs a little compartment to put our beads and sequins inside. So we're going to use plastic to put a lid on here. Then we can stick our next part back on again and then put the beads in, then put more plastic on top. So I'm going to use my plastic recycling and I'm going to draw around the outside of my toilet roll tube with my Sharpie pen. Now we need 2 pieces of plastic, so I'm going to do that twice. And then I'm going to cut those out. You might need an adult's help with this part. Plastic can be quite sharp when you're cutting it out. Once you've got your 2 plastic circles cut out, we can start to assemble our tube. So I'm going to stick my first plastic circle over the end of my toilet roll tube with some sellotape. There we go. Our next job will be to stick that bit that we cut off, that 1 centimetre of toilet tube, back on top of the plastic that we've just stuck around. So we're going to put some sellotape all the way around the outside. There we go. Now before we stick our second piece of plastic on the top, we need to put our translucent beads and sequins and beads inside. There we go. Then we can put our second plastic lid over the top and sellotape that in place. You could also decorate your tube at this stage. You might want to wrap some coloured paper around the outside to cover all these sellotape bits up, or you could decorate it with pens and pencils. But the next part we need to do is to make the 3 mirrors that fit in the middle of our tube that give us those reflected patterns. Now the plastic craft mirror that you can buy online will give you a clearer reflection in your kaleidoscope, but tinfoil and cardboard works as well, and you can see the colours and patterns it makes. So I'm going to show you using the tinfoil and cardboard the measurements you need. For the mirror, you'll just need to cut the pieces of mirror to the same sizes as the pieces of cardboard I'm using. Okay, so I have cut a piece of my cereal box that I'm going to use to make my mirrors. I'm going to measure 3 rectangles exactly the same size. Now our rectangles need to be 9 centimetres by 4.2 centimetres to fit inside our toilet roll tube. So I've got 3 rectangles, 4.2 centimetres by 9 centimetres, and I'm going to cut those out now. There we go. Now we need to cover our rectangles in the tin foil. Now when you're covering them, make sure you use the shiniest side. One side will be slightly duller than the other. Now tinfoil does just stay, or you could put some sellotape on the back to make sure it's extra secure. There we go, there's our 3 mirrors. We can now slide these into our tube so that the shiny sides are facing into the middle. I'm going to put the first one in, and it goes in at an angle, so we should see that semicircle shape behind the mirror. Then the next one will go in, and we start to see our triangle. And the last one slides into place. And then when we look down the middle, we should be able to see some reflections. It works best if you hold it up to the light as well. When you turn it round, you'll be able to see your pattern changing.